Hey everyone, I'm so glad you're here. I'm Camilla with Steady Stream Investments, and today talking about income milestones. So maybe you've been working hard in your career and you just got that big raise. Congratulations. Or you sold your house, made a ton of money off the appreciation. Now you're looking at that number and you're saying, now what? Well, I remember hitting my first now what milestone and thinking to myself, okay, I've heard I need to start investing. So, how do I even do that? Well, I read a few books. I Googled investing on the internet. I asked my dad for his advice. And then kind of did what everyone else does. I found a financial advisor, opened up a Roth IRA, and started contributing every month to the stock market in the hopes that someday it would magically turn into millions of dollars by the time I retire. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm not good at hoping and wishing and wishing and hoping. You see, I can see my quarterly mutual funds report and I think, yeah, okay, that's growing, but not very fast. Guess I got to keep waiting. But I hate waiting. Also, what am I waiting for? Retirement? Well, what is retirement anyway? I'm not sure if I even like the whole idea of retirement. I'm pretty sure I don't want to wait to spend a month hiking the Appalachian Trail or riding elephants in Thailand or eating chocolate as I ski in the Swiss Alps. So, may I suggest another path? Kind of the path less traveled. So, investing passively in real estate is actually a much safer vehicle than investing passively in the stock market, and it produces higher returns. And apartment buildings, they are the best asset class out there because of their really strong demand. So, now that you're making a good income, time to put that money to work. You worked so hard for your money. Now, make that money work hard for you. Please consider joining our investment group, and we'll help you every step of the way. So soon you can join the rest of us who can proudly say, we own an apartment building. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe and share this video with others. Hope you have a fantastic day and much success.